Lime oil is derived from different citrus species, mainly from the Persian or Tahiti lime, which is called Citrus latifolia in botanical name, or from the Mexican lime, the Citrus aurantifolia. The oil is derived by hand pressing in a copper ball with spikes called an iguel. The method yields a high quality oil, but is used only for production of small amounts. The usual method is cold pressing with a machine from the shells after juice extraction. The third method is distillation from the pulp of the crushed fruits after separation from the juice. This yields the highest percentage of oil and has the advantage to contain only minute amounts of photosensibilizing compounds, which is not the case with the hand or machine pressed oil. The Mexican lime has its origin from the Indo-Malayan region. It is believed today that the lime fruit was introduced by the Arabs from the oriental regions to North Africa and the Near East, and then from here during the 12th to the 13th century, taken by the Crusaders to southern Europe. In the mid-13th century, it was already cultivated in Italy. And then from here it got introduced into the Caribbean islands and Mexico by the Spaniards. What became the Mexican lime continues to be cultivated today also in India, in Egypt, the West Indies, tropical America, and throughout the tropics of the Old World. Mexico is the main exporter today of the fresh fruits and also of lime juice and lime essential oil. The lime tree cannot stand cold climates. At least it needs an overwinter temperature of about 15 degrees Celsius average, preferably 18 to 20 degrees. In contrast to lemon, the soft peel of lime stays green even in its mature state. The smell is fresh, sweet and aromatic. The juice is very sour, aromatic and also slightly bitter. The honey from the flowers is said to be the most flavored and most precious honey in the world. It is often used in special medicine and also in liquors. The rind of the lime fruit contains a volatile oil, including compounds like alpha-pinene, beta-pinene, myrcene, limonene, terpinolene, 1.8-cineol, linalool also, borneol, citral, and also traces of neryl acetate and geranyl acetate. Furthermore, the fruit contains vitamin C, vitamin A, which is retinol, and tocopherol. It is also rich in minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, sodium, and phosphor. Among the elements we find iron and zinc. Lime essential oil can be obtained by cold pressing of the unripe fruit, which we saw. The oil obtained by cold pressing causes high photosensitivity on the skin, especially in case of intense sunshine. The essential oil mixes well with other citrus oils, also for example with citronella, lavender, neroli, rosemary for example, also tonka bean, vanilla, sweet oils, and also ylang-ylang, etc. In former times, ships transporting lime fruits were called lime juicers, and the crews were well advised to make the juice part of their cooking plans. The high vitamin C content protected them from scurvy. Today it is popular to flavor soft drinks with the juice or also the oil. Lime essential oil is also used in the perfume industry. Besides its anti-scurvy properties, the oil also provides helpful effects in treating oily skin or acne and cleansing it from any unwanted deposits, supported by its disinfecting qualities. Lime oil helps also to heal cracked lips and cracked lip corners. It is an interesting oil for the whole, so to say, area around the mouth. For example, also for ulcers on the tongue and the mouth, aching or bleeding gums, etc. Very important to emphasize also is lime oil's cellulite diminishing values, which are due to its astringent characteristics. Lime oil also has antiseptic, antimicrobial, and antioxidant capacities, thereby being effective in preventing cancer and rheumatism. Very important also are lime oil's strengthening and stimulating effects on the digestive system. It is known for its capacity to increase the secretion of digestive juices, of bile and acids, and for its stimulating effects on the peristaltic motion of the digestive system. This is also interesting in case of overweight. A tablespoon of honey mixed with 1 to 2 drops of lime oil can favor weight loss, since the biochemistry of the oil has its word to say as an excellent fat burner. Also, in case of gout, lime oil has proven to be efficient. One of the reasons for gout is the accumulation of toxins, especially uric acid, a problem where citrus oils and especially lime oil can be very helpful, especially when taken orally. Gout has also a connection with the presence of free radicals in the system. Lime oil contains plenty of natural free radical scavengers, also vitamin C and flavonoids. With its high potassium content, it protects kidneys, bladder, the whole urinary system, including also the prostate, clearing possible urine blockages due to the presence of calcium in the urinary tract. To summarize the research benefits of lime oil, it helps to cure arthritis, rheumatism, cholera, arteriosclerosis, diabetes, heart problems, and is also used to intervene in cases of high fever. Not to forget, in case of considering of eating the pure lime fruit, all citrus fruit seeds are highly poisonous if ingested in already small to medium quantities. On the psychic level, lime has proven its potential by giving relief in case of hysteria, depression, nervous shocks, or anxieties. It is able to lighten the mood and rejuvenate and revitalize mind, body, and soul, which means it uplifts and refreshes our consciousness, allowing it to touch and live anew our spiritual identity. Lime really another miracle plant spreading its nature-given potential so generously on our planet without asking anything in return.